Welcome to 7 Steps to Freedom. You're about to discover a step-by-step blueprint that can change your life like it did for thousands of others worldwide. You'll learn the secrets to financial stability, building a rock-solid business, and, frankly, the secret to being able to get anything you want in life. Big claim? Yes. Is it for everybody? Probably not. But if you're here, you have a real shot at changing your life from thing point onward. Ready? Let's get started. First step, financial success. Second step, path to 10x income. Third step, money-making game plan. Fourth step, goal card for success. Fifth step, luxury living. Sixth step, path to success. Seventh step, scale and go big.